I think the corn matches my outfit today. Love it. Welcome back to yet another fabulous, if I don't mind saying so myself, episode of The Silly Kitchen. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more of these videos. Today, I am going to show you how to make a super easy, quick, and delicious black bean and corn salad. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how versatile this salad is and how many ways you can use it. All right, let's go. So I said black bean and corn salad. So obviously you need both of those ingredients. Make sure that you wash and rinse your black beans, drain them, and then we're ready to use them. Same with the corn if you're using canned corn, or if you have corn on the cob, you can always just cut your corn off of the cob for this recipe. You're gonna need a green pepper. I have 2 avocados because they're small, so we're gonna use 2, a tomato and a lime. And for garnish, I've picked some fresh parsley leaves from my little herb garden just to garnish the salad. So you know you need all of those ingredients, some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and we're gonna put this all together. We're gonna start by doing a little bit of chopping. This is how I cut my peppers, is I just kind of go around and get all the good stuff off, and then all of the seeds and other things stay intact like that for garbage. Now I want really small pieces going into this salad because I want them to be almost the same size as the corn and the bean. Oh, I've got a couple little seeds there. Boom. So nice little thin slices, and then take your knife across this way. So I just run my knife across the slices just so that I have these little tiny pieces that are, like I said, the same size as my corn and my black beans because we want it all to kind of be uniform. Okay, we've got our tiny little pieces of green pepper all done. If you want a little kick in this recipe, you can add a bit of jalapeno instead of the green pepper, or together both. I'm also gonna do the same thing on my tomato. So again, I'm just gonna slice it up and then dice it up. That's how I roll in the Silly Kitchen. Again, try to make it similar size so that we have uniform pieces. Okay, next step, we've got our tomato and our green peppers all cut up. We need to do the avocados. Now, I love avocados, but I have a love-hate relationship with them because they are only perfect for like a millisecond. So I'm hoping these guys are good. They're a little bit squishy, they're a little bit ripe, so let's cut an avocado. If you don't know how, this is how we do it. Okay, so first thing you do is run your knife all the way across your avocado and twist to separate each side. Now this is a tiny little avocado with a tiny little seed in it, but to get the seed out in any avocado, this should do the trick. Smack it with your knife and twist. Ah, of course it doesn't work on camera. There, that's how it's supposed to work. So then the next thing that you'll do is score inside your avocado so that you're making cubes. Just watch your knife here so that you don't actually cut all the way through. And then you take a spoon and scoop all these little babies out, and you're gonna have these gorgeous little cubes. It should be that easy. All right, so we're gonna throw that into the bowl because we're gonna start assembling. And I am gonna do both sides of the avocado here, so let me just do that real quick. All right, it's assembly time. So I just put a little bit of that avocado in there. We're gonna put in our beautiful black beans, all nice and clean. I'm gonna add in corn. I think the corn matches my outfit today. Love it. Okay, and our green peppers and tomato go in as well. Don't be afraid to use your hands. I know you wash them before getting into the kitchen. Okay, give them a little wipe because now I gotta put the rest of these avocados in. A little scoopy, and they go in. This is such an easy recipe. I hope you do try it at home because in a minute I'm gonna show you how many ways you can use it. I can't believe these avocados were so perfect too, because tomorrow they would have been mush, but today they are perfect little cubes for this salad recipe. Okay, give it a little bit of a stir. Get some of that stuff mixed up all together. Easy peasy. We have to season. Olive oil. This way. Give it a little drizzle. And our lime. Guys, roll your limes just to separate some of those juices so that it's easier. Give it a nice cut. Let's go this way. And we're just gonna squeeze these babies, not in our face, not in our eyes, but into the bowl. Lemon juice, lime juice in the eye is never fun, so try not to squeeze them too close to your face. Squeeze really hard. You want all the juice from the lime. Put some muscle into it. Okay. S&P is your friend. And you have to do it this high above the bowl. It's just the rule. You don't need too much salt because you've got lots of that tangy flavor from the lime. And I don't know why I have 2 spoons here, but I'm gonna use the bigger one to stir this up. All right, once you've given this a good stirring, this is your opportunity to give it a little taste. And make sure you don't talk with your mouth full. Make sure that you like the flavor. You've got enough salt and pepper. Avocado loves salt, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more in. And all we have to do now is put it in a presentable bowl because you know I like things to look pretty. And shout out to my bestie who gave me these beautiful bowls for my birthday. So I'm super excited to use them. Get all the juices on the bottom of the bowl in here. Ooh, yeah. This is so good. I love this recipe. I hope you try it. Okay, and remember, I picked a little bit of these beautiful pieces of, as I drop one and it looks beautiful, my little parsley, fresh parsley to garnish. It just looks really pretty. I mean, I love parsley and I love the flavor, but I also want all my beautiful food to look as good as it tastes. Voila, we are done. It is ready to serve. Now, remember I told you, lots of ways that you can enjoy this. Obviously, I would take a spoon and just eat this the way it is, but I also love enjoying this as a salad topper. So chop up some of your favorite lettuce or use some spinach or romaine and use this as a salad topper. Pick your favorite dressing, but you really don't need dressing because this already has so much flavor from what we've done to it. Another way that I love eating this is just scooping it with some corn chips or cut up some pita bread, put a little bit of hummus on it or even plain and just use this as a topper as well. So many ways to use this delicious, easy, healthy, scrumptious recipe. So I thank you once again for tuning in to The Silly Kitchen. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you with another recipe very soon. Have an awesome day.